Need I repeat, why go out to eat when you can
have a terrace with fresh croissants and breakfast?
Exactly. And, you know, again, just the gorgeous view. We've decided that the only thing that we're missing is water balloons to chuck at passers-by. Sort of feel bad for this dude. I mean, at least he can breathe. My bad. I feel worse for the Nimrod in the background. Ah, the good old days. Back when the Flash wore jeans and a bowler hat. Notre Dame Cathedral in Strasbourg, France. Not quite as tall as that last one we climbed, but still just a work of art. I'm not so sure who seems more drunk, the singers or the lady with the bicycle trying to record them. I feel like you really haven't truly experienced this amazing architecture until you experience it with guttural two-string cello music in the background. My turn to try.
My neck is the skin's too tight.
It doesn't, but he doesn't. He didn't do it by holding his neck. He was just.
He has no practice. We don't have a guttural language in English. His language is obviously very throaty.
Have I shown y'all this yet? People around here just do cured meat and cheese and sausage right. It's such a legit restaurant. Cause like, you can't define the shape. How did an architect make that at such non-square angles? Well, you know, we're just working on last night's leftovers. Nothing special, just really special.
It's a rough life. Very rough life.
It's what's both $1.99 and for dinner. Escargot! So they took the two most popular things around here and combined them. Chocolate and oh gosh, I almost said the bad word. Don't say the S word. It's called football. You really haven't smelled a cheese shop until you smell a French one. This place is potent, with evidently really good expensive cheese. But look at all the mold growing on this. Moldy, moldy, mold, 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 really moldy.
It's a moldy donut.
Moldy, yeah.